What's up guys? So for today's our fourth day here in Kuala Lumpur. As you can see, we're still here inside the house where we are staying. So it's Vaishra, she already bathed. And Sarwan also bathed, but me haven't because I cleaned the house. Okay, Sarwan. And it's about 3 o'clock already in the afternoon. So late na yung guys ang video namin for today. So, nakapaglinis na ako ng floor. And even we're in a holiday, you see our clothes. Because clothes. And then, tada! Diba? Sinampay ko siya dyan guys. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda na sampayan ko. Guys, siguro for today, rest muna kami, or maybe later we're just going to walk around inside the mall. So just see you later guys. I think now I just going to rest for 5 minutes, then I also going to bathe, and after that we're going to leave, go where we can go. Yesterday we went Batu Cave and Ramayana Cave. Yes, 2 cave we went. So too much exercise
Batu Cave, one is
yesterday.
One is Batu Cave, one is
Ramayana Cave.
Ramayana Cave.
Yan guys.
Oh yeah, there's 2 caves.
So enjoy watching for our fourth day here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
NKL.
Thank you for watching. See you later guys. Bye. Hi guys, so ayan, tapos na po akong maligo.
Hi.
Si Sarwan.
She's in the toilet.
Live soon. At medyo makulimlim na. Kaya naman, mamaya tatanggalin ko yung mga sampay ko doon sa kabilang bintana. Doon ako nagsampay kung nakita nyo kanina sa aking intro vlog. So ngayon, naantay ko na lang si Vaishra. Hindi dito ako sa kwarto guys. So guys, ayan siya.
Ayaw mo lan?
Diba? Hindi nyo makikita yung sampay ko dito kasi nandun siya sa kabila guys. So ayun yung Twin Tower dito sa KL. So ayan guys, papahinga lang ako saglit. Medyo madami akong nilabhan kaya medyo nakakapagod. Buti nga may washing machine dito, so hindi masyadong mahirap maglaba. Ay, visit niya yung kapatid niya kasi nasa CR. Dito naman sa bed na to, ayan, nakita niyo yung hagi-wagi ni Sarwan. Don't disturb. Ayan, dyan natutulog si Sarwan sa baba. At doon naman sa taas si Vaishra, dyan siya natutulog. Ayan, tapos ito naman yung bed namin. Dito kami, dyan kami natutulog. Yan, linis ko na siya lahat. Nice ko na rin yung bedsheet niya. So, see you later guys. Kung saan kami uli makakarating. Hi guys, so we're outside now and we're walking. We're going to Pavilion. Sarwan. Oh my God. We're going here at Pavilion. Hi Sarwan! So today is Saturday, it's a bit crowded. Guys, there is the Pavilion. Okay, wait. Yan na.
Hi. Hi. We have to put in front. Okay, this is outside. There are a lot of places to go which we haven't been. There's lots of balloons.
Hey, what are you doing?
Popping this.
You're popping that. What is that?
It's a popping.
So what do you buy?
I bought a pencil case.
And yeah, the chocolate.
Smiggle here in Kuala Lumpur. And the two children bought a pencil case.
You know the bag.
Now the father is queuing.
What's this?
Oh, this is letter.
What's up, guys? So we're here already in our
I want to watch you too.
place that we are staying. It's already done, our 4th day here in KL. It's so sad that today is heavy rain. That's why we never go a lot of place today. We just go eat McDonald's, but we never take a picture already because it's too hungry. So now here Sarvan is playing. Okay.
Something's wrong with my YouTube. You
Why?
It's
Maybe because of the internet. So thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.